Oh my gosh. What is the bottom? Shut up. Oh my gosh. It looks like bread and it's so fluffy. Shut up. I lost the gimbal, so this is kind of awkward. I'm just placing it against a bowl, but I've seen this online a long time ago and I really want to try to make it. It's where it's like cloud bread eggs and you separate the egg yolks and you take the whites and you mix it over and over again until it gets stiff peaks. I think that's what it's called. And then you cook it on like a frying pan and then it makes like bread. So I have burger patties I'm gonna cook up and then do that. It seems super simple and easy. So I'm just gonna carry around my phone. I've never done this before, so I'm not sure if it's gonna even turn out. How do you separate them? Alyssa would always separate them for me. I was gonna do this with my dad and then he just hopped on a call. These are so small, this seems so hard. Can you see that? I think you just move it, the egg yolk back and forth. And it gets like the white out, which is what you want. Boom. I just crack it in half. Oh goodness. And I'm just letting the egg whites spill out. I really don't know what I'm doing or if this is gonna turn out. There's like some yolks in it. See, there's some, but I hope it'll still turn into a stiff peak. I think that I should get the burger patty started going, so I'm gonna heat up. This griddle thing has been game changer because we always use the Ninja air fryer, but then we use this and it goes so quick and easy. And then we have this little, I think it's called a smasher, and you smash it down, but otherwise the air fryer is perfect. So I think I'm gonna put some burger patties on this and let these cook while I whisk up or make the stiff peaks out of the eggs. You should see my setup right now. You guys are on top of the paper towel holder. I don't know what happened to the gimbal. Just kidding. You can already hear it sizzling. I just turned it on. So this goes so fast and easy. Like this little griddle thing has been game changer. This is our brand, the one we have. I'll leave it linked down below. I don't even know if I'm supposed to, usually my mom actually makes it. I haven't actually made it myself off the griddle, so I think I'm supposed to smash it now. But I don't really like the smash burger. I like them thick, so I'm just gonna press it down a tiny bit. Everyone's different. Like I always like when there's a little bit of pink in the middle of mine. And I heard that that's actually supposedly bad for you, the pink in the middle for ground beef. But I've heard people eat raw ground beef and I always feel perfectly fine and good after I eat it. So I like when there's a little bit of pink in mine. I just smashed them down a little bit. I'm gonna try to whisk this guy up. Don't look at the mess over there. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in the pan and then just maybe take like a cup, a measuring cup, so that all of them will be even. I'm gonna try to, I don't know how much, I think I could make like 4 little pieces of bread. I don't even know if this is gonna turn out, but the burger patties are almost done. Okay, this is so hard to record because I don't have the gimbal. I'm gonna take 1/2 cup of the stiff peaks and put it in here, and I'll just show you guys what happens. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. Whoa, what the heck? It feels so weird. And then that's gonna be 1 little bun. And what you can also do is then, instead of making bread, you can just add the egg yolk back there and then it's fluffy cloud eggs, which I really wanna try that too. But this is what it looks like. Burgers are done, and see, family, if you're watching this, now I'm gonna clean it off so that it doesn't get all hard and stuck to it. Boom. Boom. Oh my gosh. What is the bottom? Shut up. Oh my gosh, it looks like bread and it's so fluffy. Stop. I'm so excited. Look at that. What the heck? So simple and easy. 4 small eggs makes 4 buns, but technically 2, you know what I mean? So boom, perfect. And again, I just did 1/2 cup. Quick interruption. Did you know your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on it? At Compassionate Carnivore, we make 100% natural, handmade products with ingredients you can read, pronounce, and trust. So pure, you could even eat them. Shop now. Ta-da! Look at that. That was so fast, simple, and easy. You could add cheese and bacon to this too, and oh, look at that. I know this is going to be the juiciest burger ever. This is literally the best ever. To just give it more flavor too. Just a little pinch. It was so simple and easy to make. Okay guys, taste test. Sorry, this frame is so bad. I'm like out of frame, but I don't know what happened to the gimbal, but look at that. Okay, ready? Shut up. I don't know if it's just because I'm like a professional chef, but this is so delicious. I almost choked there for a second, but the flavor, it's like a juicy burger, and the egg's really flavorful, and I taste all the butter that I put in the pan. Stop, that is so good. You see that? That's what I meant where it's like a little pink. I love that. So good. I could eat 10 more of these right now. So that was literally just 4 small eggs. It was just the egg whites. I can't wait to make the cloud with like the fried egg where you put the yolk in the middle, because that would be so good too. But this is so good. I just spit everywhere. This is like generally one of the best things that I made in a long time. That is how you make carnivore cloud bread. So simple, so delicious. Next time I'm gonna make it thicker and make it even more fluffier, because at first this was so fluffy, but then I kind of smushed it down to get it more circular. But circular, I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah. I wish you all the absolute best. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Beep.